This tutorial provides you with step-by-step instructions showing you how quickly and easily you can connect a networkable Miele professional machine with Miele MOVE Connect. Step 1 is the preparation for networking. We recommend that you use a laptop and that you are nearby your machine during the networking process. You will also need the serial number of the machine you want to network. This can be found on the type plate, usually on the inside of the door. Also make sure that you have the login details for your Miele MOVE Connect account. You will also need the access data for the wireless LAN. Additionally, you may need to authorize specific Miele MOVE URLs in the settings of your firewall. There is a help document for this in the FAQ section at miele-move.com. The second step is to log in and find out how to set your machine to network ready status. Firstly, log into your Miele MOVE Connect account. To connect a new machine to your account, click on Machines in the menu and then on Connect New Machine. This menu gives you quick and easy access to the networking process. Now click on Connect and enter the serial number of the machine you want to connect in the next window. In this example, it is a benchmark washing machine PWM 520. An attempt is now made to find the appliance in the cloud. However, as there is no internet connection yet, no machine is found online. If you do not know how to make your machine network ready, you can call up the relevant instructions using the button on the left. Let's take a look at these instructions first. Select the machine type, the PWM 520 washing machine. You can connect this machine either via LAN, WPS, or the device connector. For each of these options, you will find step-by-step instructions on how to get your machine ready for networking. As our focus is on the device connector, we will now go into detail here. In step 3, we will download the device connector software. You can simply download the device connector via the yellow link and install it without admin rights. After installation, nothing stands in the way of networking your machine. Now let's go back and take a look at the advanced setup. Here, you also have the option of downloading the device connector. The tool is available for both Windows systems and Apple Mac OS systems. As the device connector is already installed in our example, it can be opened directly via this window. In step 4, connect your laptop to the access point of your machine. Once the tool has been installed, the device connector can be opened directly. First, you need to open the access point of your machine and connect it to your computer. If you do not know how to open the access point, simply take a closer look at the recommended instructions section. There, you will immediately see the step-by-step guidance for opening the access point. Simply click through the steps and follow the instructions. Important note on accessing the operator level. The default code for this machine is always 000. If this has not been changed, you can always access the operator level. You will also find the relevant standard code in your operating instructions. Once you have followed the steps shown on your machine, the access point should be open. To finally establish the connection with the machine, you must now connect your laptop to the access point. How this works is explained again in the recommended instructions section. In our example case, we have used a laptop with a Windows 11 installation. You select the appropriate section for this and follow the instructions. Firstly, open the network settings via the taskbar on your laptop and then the list of visible networks. Click on the entry that begins with Miele Prof as shown here and select Connect. As our example machine was already connected, there is no need to enter a network key. This always corresponds to the serial number of the respective machine. Now we go back to the device connector, and as we can see, the connection to the machine was successful. Next comes step 5. You will connect your machine to the internet. Your laptop is connected to the machine. Now you can transfer the necessary wireless LAN information to the machine. To do this, first search for visible networks. Select the network via which the machine is to be connected to the internet and then enter the corresponding password. By clicking on Send, the wireless LAN information is transferred to the machine. This may take a few seconds. You can see on the machine display when the data has been successfully transmitted. As soon as you have received a positive response, click on Pair with Miele MOVE. In the next step, you must now tell Miele MOVE the IP address of your machine. Please note, make sure that you are connected to the same network with your laptop that you have just connected your machine to. Especially in company environments where you may have access to several networks, it can happen that your laptop has automatically dialed into a different network, as in our example case. To retrieve the IP addresses, click on the button on the right and then on Return to Device Connector. The IP address is then automatically adopted. In the sixth and final step, we finalize the networking and add the machine to our account in Miele MOVE Connect. With a click on Next, you are almost done. In the following window, simply click on Open Miele MOVE. The machine is now finally added to your account. Last but not least, you can now make further configurations here. Give the machine its own name, assign it to a location, or specify who should take over the service for the appliance. Our own Miele technicians will be happy to support you in the event of a service call. Your machine is now successfully connected and added to your account. Complete this process and move on to the next machine straight away. As you have seen, networking a Miele professional machine with Miele MOVE Connect takes just a few minutes. For more information, visit us at miele-move.com. Good luck with your networking and see you next time.